Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my Spanish rice. One of my subscribers by the name of Miriam Charles asked me to make this Spanish rice, so here you go. Hope you enjoy watching this video. This past weekend I did 3 dishes. I did my potato salad, my sweet and sour chicken, and my Spanish rice. So you guys should check the link in the description box to see those other videos. Alright, so I'll be showing you guys step by step how I make my Spanish rice. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. And I also want to say thank you, Danilo. So let me just show you my ingredients. Hi guys, so this is the ingredients for my Spanish rice. First we have some 5-spice seasoning. We have all-purpose seasoning, paprika, thyme, onion powder, chili powder. We have some oil here. We have some ginger, some grated onion, some carrots. Sorry, I mean some corn. And then we have here, we have some carrots, 2 cubes, shallots, celery, sweet pepper, and 1 wiri pepper. So we're gonna, oh, and 1 cup of rice. Okay guys, so this is my rice here. I'm gonna put my rice into the water. So I just put my rice in the water, so I'm gonna stir it. So now I'm gonna put in my other ingredients. So we're gonna put in some oil, chili pepper. Check the description box for all the measurements, okay? We're gonna put in some onion powder, and you're gonna put in a little bit of thyme, some paprika, and the main ingredient we're gonna put in is 5-spice. This is gonna give the Spanish rice a nice flavor. So we're gonna put in some ginger as well. And some garlic. And our 2 cubes. So you're gonna stir it now. You're gonna stir it now, and then you're gonna taste it and see if that's the flavor that you're looking for. Okay guys, so we're gonna stir up all the ingredients into the rice, and we're gonna cover it and cook it on high heat. You're gonna cook it on high heat, and just before the water finish steaming down, we'll be back. Okay guys, as you can see, the water near boil down. So we're gonna do now, we're gonna steam the rice. So let me show you guys the next step. Okay, to steam the rice, what we need to do is get a plastic bag, a clean plastic bag, or just wash one, and then you're gonna put the plastic bag into the rice. You put the plastic bag into the pot like this. Let me show you so the camera can think. Just like this. Press it down, and you let it steam. Make sure no rice is peeping out. And you let it steam for about 15 to 20 minutes. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so it has been 15 minutes and my Rice is steaming. Take off the cover. See how the plastic bag swell up there. I'm going to turn off my stove and let it cool a little bit. I'm going to take off the plastic bag so you guys can see how it's looking. Let me try this away. And as you can see here, my rice finished steaming. I'm going to put it into another container and let it cool down. We'll be back. Okay guys, so as you can see here, I'm putting over the rice into another container. And I'm going to let it cool down. Alright, so when it finishes cooling down, then we're going to fry up the rice with our vegetables. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put my chicken leg now into the pot to fry. Probably gonna put in like 4 legs at a time. Yeah, but 4 legs. Let me try another one, see if that one fits. Yeah. Okay, 5 legs whole. So I'm gonna cook it, and if they get golden brown, I'll be back and let you guys know how long it takes to cook. Okay guys, so my rice has cooled down, so I'm going to go and fry up my Spanish rice now. So we have some shallots, celery, sweet pepper, and some carrots. And we have some all-purpose seasoning and some corn. The rice is here. Okay guys, so the rice finished cooling down here, so I'm gonna go and fry it up now into this pan. So here we have some shallots, celery, sweet pepper, carrots, corn, and we're going to use a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, right? And some butter. So the first thing you're going to do, guys, you gotta bear with me. My tripod, something fall off it and keep throwing down the phone on my... Okay, so we're gonna take some butter and put it into our pan here. Alright, we're gonna fry the rice in 2 batches. So the first step, we're gonna put half of our corn, half of our carrots here. You're gonna put the sweet pepper, the celery, the shallots, and the celery. Alright? And you're gonna fry up your veggies. Okay, about 2 minutes or so. I'm using butter, but you can use oil, alright? But I'm using butter. It's not. Alright, so you're gonna fry this up for 2 minutes. We'll be back. Okay, so it's been 2 minutes, so you're going to put in your rice now to fry up. Alright? Here's the rice here, and you're going to mix everything together. You're mixing all your veggies into the rice. Alright, and then you're going to put in some corn. Mixing. I'm so afraid to move this tripod because I don't want my phone to fall down again. Yeah, so you're gonna keep stirring it up till everything combines. Okay, let me taste it and see if it needs the all-purpose seasoning. So I'm gonna taste it now. That's good. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit of just a little dash of the all-purpose seasoning. Yeah, and it's all done here. So I'm gonna do the other batch now. I'm gonna put this on the plate. We'll be back. Okay guys, so I just put some butter in my pan again. So then I'm going to put the balance of the veggies into the butter. Let it fry up for about 2 minutes. Alright. And then I'm just going to put some all-purpose seasoning on my veggies. And then we're going to stir it up. We'll be back in 2 minutes. So we're going to put in the balance of the rice now into the veggie. Alright, and then we're going to mix everything together. All the balance. And then just mix the rice into the veggies. I want to thank my best friend Dunella. When she used to live in Guyana, she used to make this a lot, so I asked her for the recipe, how she made her Spanish rice, and she gave it to me, so thank you, Dunella. We're going to let this fry out for about another 2 minutes. We're going to put in our corn. And it's all done. So we're going to put in our first set. What we did, and then just mix everything together. Alright? So all these beautiful colors. Yeah. I'm going to plate it and let you guys see the end results. Alright? So we'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the end results for my Spanish rice here. I also have some potato salad, and this is my sweet and sour chicken legs, or some people would say drumstick. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Alright, so look out for all 3 of these dishes: my potato salad, my Spanish rice, and my sweet and sour chicken legs. Alright, I'll upload each of them one by one. Alright, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton. Follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton, and please subscribe to my channel. Alright, thank you guys. Stay blessed. Bye.